AI regulation, a good thing or bad thing? Hi everyone, this is Kay and welcome back to Elite Tech Royalty, where we provide the most in-depth, fascinating, and educational happenings in the AI and tech industry. In this video, we're going to talk about AI regulation. Is regulating artificial intelligence a good thing or a bad thing? Along with its advantages, AI can also bring risks to humanity, which people are aware of. Sam Altman of OpenAI, Christina Montgomery of IBM, and Professor Gary Marcus of NYU met with Congress to discuss the horrors of AI, and they unanimously advised that the government should make an effort to control and monitor AI development. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, was questioned by lawmakers for 3 hours in an effort to genuinely comprehend the growing significance and risk of artificial intelligence. How Washington should govern AI was the main topic of discussion. And maybe unexpectedly, there were more points of agreement than differences between Altman and lawmakers for both parties. Altman told lawmakers that he wants to create a new organization for AI regulation. So what would be the job of this organization or agency? The organization would act as the AI regulatory body. This indicates that any business or individual wishing to develop AI must obtain a license from the agency. The agency should ensure that safety laws are being observed and have the power to withdraw licenses. In other words, if you succeed in developing an AI model in the future, you'll probably need to obtain government approval before releasing it. Altman also stated his aim to establish a set of safety requirements, saying that he wants to check the AI model if it can self-replicate and self-exfiltrate. This means no one can make self-replicating AIs. Maybe he wanted to prevent the production of highly clever armed robots, but what's even the point of investing in AI if we can accomplish that? Additionally, Altman claimed that he wants to mandate independent audits to determine whether the model complies with the stated safety levels and the performance percentages in question. Additionally, they want these rules to be implemented globally. However, in order to accomplish this on a global scale, this needs a global effort as well. However, despite all of these rules, they don't want regulation of AI to impede progress or innovation in general. The age of AI cannot stop due to some regulation protocols. The goal of this endeavor is not to slow down open source projects. However, big or small models that will be made must follow the rules. However, regulation frequently works best for large, well-established businesses. They're able to lobby the government and often regulate themselves favorably because they have the resources to do so. The possibility of a hybrid technocracy oligarchy, where a select few businesses shape public opinion, might exist, making this move nonsense. However, during the session, Altman surprised the lawmakers. Before we continue, if you've come this far in this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe, or let us know what you think in the comments section. Continuing, the panel was taken aback when Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, revealed that he had no stake in the company and that he only accepted the position because of its excellent health insurance benefits and because he genuinely enjoys his work. Some panelists believe that AI is extremely harmful. They identify the destruction of jobs, violation of privacy, manipulation of personal behavior and attitudes, and maybe the deterioration of America's free elections. However, given that AI's effects are noticed globally, this may not actually be true only in America. We should remember that it is merely speculative despite the fact that it sounds quite nasty. However, we should also take into consideration that the speculations can be true since IBM did just reveal some job cuts due to AI. If AI keeps progressing at this rapid rate, perhaps AI can really alter the future. It sounds like he's implying that artificial general intelligence, also known as AGI, is definitely going to be a thing in the future as we move closer to it and unveil the power of that technology. I think that it is a serious matter to talk about, and that's where I personally believe we need such a regulatory agency. But of all the regulations, transparency surrounding these models is the one that would thrill people the most, particularly when it comes to disclosing the data that is used to train AI. As we know, AI is built on all the content we publish online, And it's not like anyone sought the owners of the copyrights for permission to use it. Open data should be available at the very least from firms like OpenAI. Other restrictions, according to witnesses and lawmakers, are required. As for Altman and Montgomery, they believe that users should have the choice to prevent their data from being used to train artificial intelligence. Senator Marshall Blackburn, a Republican from Tennessee, expressed concern about whose property the artificial intelligence-generated content is once models are produced after being trained on data that has a copyright. Montgomery said that customers should be informed each time they interact with a chatbot, explaining that no one should ever be forced to engage with an artificial intelligence system. Right now, what is evident is that Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, and politicians both agree that artificial intelligence needs to be controlled. The answer and how to do it is still a mystery. It's not apparent, though, whether Altman's collaborative strategy will protect the AI sector from a Washington crackdown. Consider the fact that certain executives in the Bitcoin industry have urged Congress and regulatory bodies to establish and clarify laws for their businesses, only to have the SEC adopt a strict stance. It should be mentioned that a lesser-known Senate hearing on how government agencies should use AI took place as well, while a House Judiciary Subcommittee will hold a hearing on AI and copyright law. That's all that we have in this video. Do you think AI regulation is a good thing? Tell us what you think in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the newest advances in AI and know the best solutions for your particular problems. And as always, thanks for watching Elite Tech Royalty. I'll see you in the next one.